10 fun facts about woodworking with resin. Did you know that resin can transform a simple piece of wood into a stunning work of art? Resin's versatility knows no bounds. It can mimic water, catch light like glass, and even preserve objects eternally, opening up endless opportunities for creative woodworking. Woodworking with resin is more than just a new trend. It's a creative revolution, capturing the imagination of DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It's the perfect blend of art and craftsmanship, where nature meets innovation. Whether you're crafting elegant tables, unique coasters, or dazzling wall art, the possibilities are limited only by your creativity. Combining resin with wood isn't always smooth sailing, but that's what makes it exciting. Curing issues, bubble troubles, and perfecting color blends are common challenges that every creator faces. But here's the thing. Every mistake is a stepping stone toward discovering a new technique or creating something beautifully unexpected. 1. Resin woodworking dates back decades and has evolved through time, blending ancient arts with modern techniques. The glass-like finish resin can achieve helps highlight the intricate textures of wood grain. Custom coloring resins allow for vibrant, personal designs that pop. This craft is eco-conscious. Many artisans use reclaimed wood to create one-of-a-kind pieces. Embedding objects like shells, flowers, or photos in resin elevates designs to artistry. 6. Resin can be used to mimic natural formations like rivers and oceans in breathtaking detail. 7. UV-resistant resins help protect and preserve your creations outdoors. 8. Mixing resin with pigments produces fascinating color effects, from metallic sheens to translucent tints. Powerful tools like heat guns and torches can add marbling effects and remove pesky air bubbles. 10. Resin projects create conversation starters, perfect for a signature centerpiece or a personal gift. Imagine transforming a salvaged piece of driftwood into a shimmering river table, where the resin flows like real water, frozen in time. This craft combines imagination and engineering, showing what's possible when passion meets determination. Inspired yet? Recap these 10 fun facts the next time you dream up a woodworking project. Resin art isn't just a craft. It's an adventure full of experimentation and discovery. Drop a comment below about your favorite fact or your own resin journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep creating.